Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Okay, first things first, open the Epic Games launcher and navigate to the library. Locate Fortnite and click on the three dots to access Manage. Open the Fortnite folder and just go to Fortnite Game, then Binaries, then Win64. Look for Easy Anti-Cheat and click on Easy Anti-Cheat underscore setup. If clicking on Easy Anti-Cheat underscore setup doesn't respond, just right-click on it. Select Show More Options and create a shortcut on the desktop. After creating the shortcut, right-click on it, go to Properties, and rename it to Repair. Run the repair process by double-clicking the shortcut, then following the repair prompts. Navigate back to Fortnite Games, Binaries, then Win64, and locate WI64 shipping.exe. Right-click on it and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, just check the box to run the program in compatibility mode for Windows. Disable full screen optimizations and run the program as an administrator. Apply the changes, restart the game, and the issue should be resolved. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.